Bobby. It took me forever to find the summer camp list again because they do not have it on their summer camp website. Imagine that. All right, I'm sitting here with the kids and we're going to look at these Mosey camps to see if we like any of them. You guys want to say hi?
Hi. Hello.
All right, so completed. Okay, wait. No. Completed 4th and 5th grade. Mosey Agents of STEAM. Principles of STEAM. You guys already know that. Rocket Science. Start the week building and launching model rockets.
That sounds cool.
It does sound cool. Mosey Mythbusters. Bust modern urban myths and popular beliefs using electrifying hands-on experiments and wild inventions.
That sounds cool. Yeah.
Theme park they can't do, unfortunately. Inventive chemistry, we're not doing July camps. Can't do that. Can't do that. Can't do that. Probably shouldn't be doing that because it's still in July, really close. Summer Science Bash. Summer fun is crammed into this last 4-day week of camp. Try out cool hands-on science experiments. Minecraft. Robot Build-Off. Work in teams to build robots that can navigate through mazes, etc. And then over here, Java game programming.
Oh, that sounds cool.
In a galaxy far, far away, make a Star Wars movie. Junior video game design. Computer game designers, computer artists. You already know how to do that. And that's it. Do you like any of those?
The Mythbusters one sounds cool.
You like Mythbusters?
And the Robot Build one.
Robot Build Off, Mythbusters, Rocket Science sounded cool too.
Yeah, I like that one.
So you guys like these 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Rocket, Myth, Robot. These, and you kind of like Java game programming, but Joe could teach you that.
Yeah, I guess so.
That's his thing. All right, Bobby, that's all we have to report.